Good morning, Yellowmena City staff. This is a quick tutorial about how we will manage the video library from today's staff development that we'll be providing district-wide. I will be sharing with you the COVID staff development video folder within Google Drive. When you go in today to your meetings, what I'd like you to do is, when finished, as you know, with it, there is a video file that pops up that you should be able to drag directly into the folder when you're finished. As many of you already know, this is the file that will pop up when finished with recording. So what I want to do is to be able to take that Zoom video, and you should be able to drag it right into here, and it will upload directly into the COVID staff development videos. Please let me know if you have any questions for this process.